Okay, so if you found this video, so you are interested to know how the Hall effect sensor works, so I will explain now. So I have here an Hall effect sensor. I did put all the caps on in order to isolate all the pins, but generally there are only three. One of them is connected to VCC, one is the ground and one is the output. The output is also connected with a 10K pull-up resistor to the VCC. This is in order to enable it to work correctly. So what eventually this is doing, this is just finding a magnetic field, and magnetic field, one of the fields, so you have north and south, so it will trigger just on one of them, and I will show you now how. So I have an neodymium magnet, so I'm putting it here near the sensor. Nothing is happened, and now I will flip the magnet. So I'm flipping it and putting again, so the voltage drop to 0 volt. So one of them is triggering it and one is not. So again, maybe I will be able to use a plier so you will be able to see it better. So you see 0 volts, and now I'm flipping the magnet and it is changing to 5 volt. So this is basically how it works. It is just triggering the circuit in one of the magnetic field. This is all very simple. Okay, so if you find this interesting, so please subscribe to my channel, and I will provide many other interesting electronic stuff. Thank you and bye.